Today we will be working on a 2010 Mercury Milan with a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. These people got into an accident like a month ago and they dropped it off at some Yankee body shop to have the work done, and unfortunately the body shop did a terrible job putting the front end back together. They stripped out one of the fittings going into the radiator where the trans lines go in, and they actually broke one of the trans lines and put a piece of tube over it instead of replacing the line, which they could have claimed in the estimate anyway, even as further causal repairs that have to be done. Or they could have just fitted in to make their reputation better. It's just a $20 line and it takes like 15 minutes, 20 minutes to install it. But instead I'm gonna have to put a radiator, trans lines, flush everything out, clean it, new fluid and stuff in here. It's gonna cost this lady probably close to $800 or $900 for this job now. So don't take your stuff to Yankee, skanky, junky body shops and mechanic shops to get your work done. Find somebody reputable to do it. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. The first thing I noticed is that cover is completely soaked in trans fluid. And then when it was here a week ago, I put a belt on it. Now the belt tensioner pulley's squeaking, so I'm going to put a tensioner pulley on it as well. And I go to pull it in the shop, and you have to rev it up really high to get the line pressure up to get this vehicle to even start moving. But all this is just nothing but straight fluid up here. If you look, they hid that repair with a piece of tube right there. They cut the rusty part of the line out and put a piece of tube in place, and then that fitting is completely stripped out and cockeyed. So now that radiator's got to be replaced, trans line's got to be replaced. I'm not going to half-ass do it. I'm going to do it right. So we'll go through it and replace everything now. Pretty simple job overall. It's going to take about 4 or 5 hours to do, and just make sure everything's clean and put back together right. That's the cost of taking your stuff to somebody that either doesn't know what the hell they're doing or doesn't really care, and they're just out to make a dime.